This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete Minecraft Education Edition. To start, open your device's Settings application. You can typically find this by clicking the Start button and selecting the gear icon. This action opens the main control panel for your system's preferences and installed software. It is a necessary first step for removing any application from your computer. Once in Settings, look for the Apps category and click on it. This will reveal an option called Apps and Features, which lists every program currently installed on your system. Scroll through the list, or for quicker access, use the search box provided. Type Minecraft Education Edition into the search bar to locate the specific application you wish to remove. After finding Minecraft Education Edition in the list, simply click on its name. This action will usually expand to show additional options, including the crucial Uninstall button. Click Uninstall, and your system will then present a confirmation dialog box to ensure you really want to remove the software. Confirm your decision to proceed, allowing the removal process to begin. This step usually takes less than 1 minute. Sometimes, uninstalling an application leaves behind residual data files, especially in hidden user folders. To address this, open the Run dialog box by pressing the Windows key and R simultaneously. Type %appdata% and press Enter to access your roaming folder. Look for any folders specifically named Minecraft Education Edition or similar and delete them if present. This ensures a clean removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.